Hi everyone, my name is Christine Barledge and I'm your instructor for the course BUS 105, which is Business and Academic Success. It's your very first course into your business program. I want to take this moment to congratulate you for taking this first step toward your academic journey and just to let you know that I am here to help you be successful as you go through this course. Okay, so I'm on the home page right now, and when you slide down, the first thing you'll see are your announcements, and then when you slide down you'll see Start Here, and then just below that you'll see some information that's broken down by week, which I found helpful because not only does it show you what you're supposed to be doing each week, it's also a link that is clickable to take you to that section. So you have your course information and your course guide, and if you click this drop down arrow right here, it will actually open it up for you and you can save it to your desktop. Your syllabus, which I would like you to read and get to know what the expectations are, they are listed right here. Your required resources, recommended resources. In the required resources, that's where you're going to find the textbook and all of your articles and things to read. How you will be graded is listed under course grading, and then the course calendar lays out for you when things are due. And then this talks about the expectations as a student and as a faculty member. And then this is the Global Campus Cafe. So if you want to start here by looking through these things, if you click on the Start Here, it'll also do the exact same thing. It'll walk you through all of this information. Week 1 gives you the overview. Now when I look at these, you can see it goes down to week 5, right? What I like to do, I'm going to scroll down here a little bit, is I like to look at it through the module section. So pointing out on the left hand side, we're on the home tab right now. This is where all of your announcements will be, and it is recommended that you read every announcement. I will be posting videos to help you manipulate through each module and assignment. Here is the syllabus. Again, I would like you to read through and become familiar. And then the modules. Before I go to modules, let's just slide down. This is where we have grades, information, course policies, writing center and library if you need help with that, course resources, and then student support center, which is going to be part of week 1 as you familiarize yourself with that. The discussions, quizzes, assignments, and so on. All right, so let's go to modules. And when we're in the modules, again, it breaks it down the same way. So you're going to find this information in multiple locations, which is nice. So we have our course homepage where we were just at. And then remember I said here's the Start Here button. If you start there, it'll kind of walk you through all of these things again. So under required resources, if you click on this, you'll find the digital textbook and all of the articles that you're required to read through. And then some recommended resources, other articles and links. How you will be graded throughout the course. Again, the calendar, it's laid out real nice for you to tell you when everything is due. The expectations, originality matters. This is about plagiarism and being sure to write using your own words in your own work, okay? If you do need to quote something, it should be cited and reference the source where it came from so that you are not plagiarizing someone else's work and trying to use it as your own. And then we have some other resources as we go down. Now here's week 1. Let's take a look at the overview. So in week 1, you're going to post your introduction and tell me about yourself. The due date is the very first post, and it's due on day 1. And it's in the discussion forum, and it shows you the percentage for the grading. Discovering the Student Center support, remember that's over here on the left, and that is due on day 3. Again, it will go into the discussion forum. So we have 2 discussions. And then you're going to create your SMART goals by day 7. That's your announcement. So SMART goals are a part of my life. I use SMART goals on a regular basis, and it's good to familiarize yourself with this acronym and how to effectively challenge yourself with goals. Okay. Then we have the learning outcomes. And these are your objectives or your goals, right? So this week, in week 1, you should be able to share ideas with your peers to build learning community, identify strategies, tools, and resources that enhance professional and academic growth, and then create an academic and professional SMART goal. I'm going to have you read through the introduction so that you can familiarize yourself with what we're going to be learning in week 1. If you just use these little toggles here on the bottom, it will take you to the next thing within the week 1 module. Again, here are your required resources. These are things that you should be reading. It is the article. This is how to increase the odds of reaching your goals by 95%. And then there's multimedia. These are also required as you go down. And then there's a web page here from Indeed. And this is about SMART goals, defining in an example. That would be helpful when you get ready to write yours. And then there's some other supplemental material here as you go through. Okay, and then these are recommended resources. I'll let you go through those. And then some additional supplemental material. So if you ever get stuck and you're like, geez, I don't know how to write that SMART goal or do this assignment, be sure you're checking the resources because it's usually laid out for you there with examples. So that's a good place for you to go. I'm going to toggle to the next page within the week 1 module. Week 1 lecture, you'll see establishing academic and professional goals. There's a little welcome message for you here and a video. Your overview of week 1. The week 1 learning activities, remember it's due on day 1 where you're going to post your introduction, due on Tuesday. Okay? And then it says the second part of that discussion forum is to greet 3 other classmates. So not only are you going to post your introduction, but you're also going to greet 3 of your classmates. So you're going to want to comment on their post. Don't forget to fill out your Canvas profile. And then we have the discussion forum, Discovering the Student Support Center. Remember I showed you that. It is right here, the Student Support Center on the left-hand side. So that's going to be part of the discussion. Part of your final project for this course is developing academic and professional goals. Obviously, those would be SMART goals, and identifying resources to help you reach those goals. Right? So you're going to be going through this Student Support Center. Then here you do have an assignment that's due on day 7, and that is creating your SMART goals. And look here, remember this is one of the goals for the week or the objectives for the week. And it walks you through what that acronym stands for and how each part plays a significant role within your goal. Okay? And then here's an example of writing SMART goals. And then you have your week 1 checklist. I love checklists. I love to cross them off as I complete things. So we have on day 1, explore your online classroom, fill out your Canvas profile, review and reflect the week 1 lecture, look ahead to the final project for the course so that you know where we're going, post your introduction to the Post Your Introduction discussion forum. On day 3, which is Thursday, explore the Student Support Center. On Thursday, you also want to complete the initial discussion post for the Discovering Student Support Center. By Monday, day 7, you're going to want to read the SMART goals, definition and examples. Read, this is how to increase the odds of reaching your goals by 95%. Watch the video for SMART goals, and then review the week 1 model assignment. On Monday, day 7, you should also post 3 responses to peers in the Post Your Introduction forum, post 2 responses to peers in the Looking Ahead discussion forum, and submit the Creating Your SMART Goal assignment to Waypoint. Now, that's how it's been laid out for you here in your checklist. I don't recommend waiting until the very last minute to do these things. I like to work ahead because Murphy's Law always takes hold, doesn't it? When you least expect it, something happens. Maybe you're sick, or maybe someone needs your help doing something, or you have to take care of the children, or something's going to happen, I promise. So I never wait until the last minute. I always try to work ahead if possible, so that I don't have that extra pressure and anxiety about worrying, am I going to have time to complete something? Okay. And then there's some references, and then if you have any questions, this is how to speak with your advisor. Remember, toggle to the next part. And then here we go. This is a graded discussion, 2 points possible, post your introduction. So you're going to read through this, post your introduction. It tells you exactly what to write, how to prepare for it, responding to your peers, etc. All right, and we're going to scroll down. You can see that there's some in there already. And then this is the other discussion forum. This is 6 points. So you're going to want to go through this one, Discovering the Support Center. And it walks you through this, what to write in your initial post. And then we'll go over to the next one. This should be the assignment. And then your week 1 assignment is creating your SMART goals. Okay. Again, if you look to prepare before you start writing, everything is there for you. Week 1 lecture, the definitions and examples, the video, and so on. So you will be able to write your own SMART goal when this is over. And you're going to use Waypoint to submit, and this will walk you through it. Okay? I wish you the best of luck in week 1. We're in this together. If you need me, please, please, please reach out. I'm here for you.